welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. This is me, Bethany, and I'm going to take y'all with us to the river today. Right there I was showing y'all a flower that my husband picked off the side of the road for me. I thought it was so pretty and it's my favorite color. But now we're just going to take this long drive to the river, and then we're going to have some fun at the river.
Mama, do you want to sit down here?
Your hair's all in your face.
For a baby bird. Gonna throw that there for a baby. Oh! Give me! That's for him.
He's going to jump.
Huh?
I thought you was finna jump. Okay. On your mark. Get set, go. Smile, Jackson.
No, I got bites on my own for worms. Come on, Daddy.
Catch any fish, Jackson?
I need a safety. My safety fell off my fruit.
You ain't getting a nibble or nothing?
You got your sinker on there, son.
Yeah, with fish.
Dang, I wish I could run that fast.
You probably could.
Probably just break every bone in my body.
Mullet fish. This is what you do. These two poles out there, and, where the swift water meets the eddy water, and you swim, fish, whatever you want to do.
My fish are worms. You better take them and pick it off.
Chloe.
No.
Oh,
Really?
it's deep. Oh.
Chloe, go get Daddy's blue pole over there. Give me a worm, bro.
He's over there.
Jason.
But we got some clams in the boat.
Yeah.
Chloe. Say cheese, please.
Set it right there on top of the box. On top of the box. Put it in the box. Put it in the box. Put the rail up there on top of the box.
I'm gonna go get a stick right here.
What?
I'm gonna get a stick right here.
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
Alright y'all, we're back from the river now, and we're going to have us a cool treat. We've got some home style vanilla ice cream and some root beer, and we're going to make us a root beer float. Alright, y'all, I just thought I would show y'all a quick dip. You just need some onion soup mix and some sour cream. Mix those two together, and you've got like some French onion dip for plain chips. I mean, that's what we dip in it. I reckon you could dip whatever kind of chips you wanted in it. But we're just going to dip plain original chips in it, and there, that's going to be our side with our chili cheese hot dogs for dinner tonight.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget.
And y'all, I don't really know why I showed y'all this in the original filming, because I'm sure you know how to open a can of hot dog chili and pour it in a bowl and microwave it. But anyway, I'm showing y'all this step of our dinner process, I guess. This is how it looks after you get your chili warmed up in the microwave, and then you just top it on your hot dog, sprinkle some cheese on top. The kids have their hot dogs cut up with some chips and dip. And then here is what my hot dog looked like. I just got some chili on there and some mozzarella cheese, and then I got my chips and dip. That was dinner for this night. Easy, quick, simple, and everybody loves a hot dog, right? Alright, y'all, it's the next day, and I didn't get much filming done yesterday, so I decided to take y'all along with us this day. We're with my mama or their Gigi, and we're going to take y'all on a little nature adventure. We still can. Jay said, yeah, we got a snack because I'm hungry.
We walked for a mile, an hour. That's a big sucker. Is that just free?
There's the waterfall, but see, it's barely trickling over there. Because it ain't had a lot of rain.
Wait, don't get there. Look at there. Can you go fishing here?
No.
You don't know that. You remember fishing here? Too many rocks and trees.
Careful, careful.
Oh, be careful because we're going in here. That's deep over there. That'll make the waterfall?
It does, it comes from there and here, but it's not full right now. You see what I'm saying?
I can make it through here.
Careful.
Look at that, JJ. Does that go apart or is that just a broken heart? But how are we going to get down?
Jace,
The same way you go up?
say cheese. Look at me, Jace.
That's crazy.
Is that where you're taking your picture at, baby? You ready?
Come on, Mommy.
You coming?
Be careful right here. Be careful right here, Mama.
I'm going to be careful. Are you being careful?
Well, I had to get on my knees and turn it.
Better look at what we just walked down to get down here. What is it?
A mushroom? Look.
It's an orange one. Like an orange one. It looks like an orange. Let's go. Roll that one. There it is. That's why you can have some cup now. You can have some cup.
Ain't this neat?
It is pretty good. I can't know.
He said, yeah, it's pretty good.
I can't know.
I know it. Look at them all that grow on the rock. Yeah, buddy.
It's getting heavy, huh? Is it getting heavy?
Yes. It looks like it's a river. Put it say it. I keep getting real.
Don't touch anything. Come on.
I can't get around this stick in my foot. I can't. We have to keep going. Oh, look at this. I can live with this. I can live with this. It got my window. It got my door.
Oh. Get up right there and let me take a picture.
Something's in there.
Y'all wouldn't get too close because there's no telling what's living in there.
Exactly. This is nature.
That's probably something's house.
That's a good house, then. It scratched me right
What? Oh, it got you. Ouch.
Stand back.
We'll clean it up.
Stand right there.
Your pocket's hanging out, Justin.
No, stand up. Stand up. Look, step on in there.
Don't fall.
You want to get that bag number, Mom?
There you go. One.
Really bad.
Go all the way back.
No. There's a cave that goes right back to it, doesn't it?
I think.
You think it was an olive city?
I don't know. We've never been down there.
It's the watermelon here, but there's two of them, you know. Look at the neighbor. These things usually hurt. Hey, neighbor, honey.
Think about this. Pretty neat, ain't it?
Oh, God. But, Ma, yours is just like a lizard.
What looks like a lizard?
Huh?
What looks like a lizard?
Where?
Where?
It's like a big lizard, don't it?
Oh, that thing?
Yeah, it's like a big lizard. And I swear, I thought I seen it move.
Jackson, you so silly. Oh, I'm about to forget the snacks. What did he do, Jace? What did the little frog do? Look at me.
Don't jump out.
Try to jump out. Whoa.
No,
You like to hit us with that stick.
I want to do it because I can climb better. I can climb better. Help me.
His feet kind of hurt.
It's a yellow orange.
You hear him?
Mm-hmm.
BG, look. I can stand up.
Oh, there's another.
She can climb that stuff in her dress.
Oh, cool.
Be careful, Gilly. No, I ain't no child.
Yes, you are a child.
I ain't no child. I'm a big child.
All right.
He's a big child. He tells you that.
Take a picture of me right here.
Climb on up there like Chloe did.
Oh, my heel. I want this, Mama. Look. Look at it. It's cool. It's like an Indian thing. It's like it rotten, like burnt or something, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does kind of like it's burnt on the ends. Them's really orange, ain't they?
Go down in there, Jason. Till three. This baby one too. Look, that's the creek.
That's the waterfall. You see it?
Yeah.
It just ain't flowing real good.
Where's this fish on? You can see it.
Chloe, don't you get too close to the edge.
Look right here, Mom.
All right, we got to stick your fingers in there. You'll...
Don't get no catch on here. I'm trying to eat.
What you got, sister?
The frog.
Stop.
Somebody help me get this open.
You pour the juice up.
What you
over?
eating, Dale?
Yeah. Sort of pour. Put that somewhere.
Hold it. You want to eat it? Oh, you thirsty? Is yours orange, Jace?
Mm-hmm.
You don't like it?
It's too hard.
What's the
I want it.
What's that doing?
Eat yours first.
Alright, y'all, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family. We are a nature-loving family, so I love to film and share nature with you guys because I know some people aren't able to get out right now. It was really nice to be able to get out and just enjoy nature and God's creations with everything that's going on in the world. I hope you all are staying safe and blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.